They told us to park right here. We coming right here to Chi house. What team?
Yeah, you're on the you was on the wrong side of the street over there.
Side to park on.
Huh?
Getting out the car. We fucking live here, man.
Hey, relax, bro.
Sir, we not even detained or pulled over. Excuse me.
I was in the middle of the street. What are you talking about?
Hey, baby, you gotta move over a little bit. That's all
Yeah,
he
you're in
said.
the middle of the street.
Hey,
Coming to your house, right?
ma'am, come here. Ma'am, come here. Ma'am,
Yes, sir.
come here.
Okay.
Come here.
Well, I'm talking to.
No. Come here because you were on the wrong side of the street. So I'm stopping.
That's why I did the turn, babe.
You was on the wrong side of the road. Come over here.
I will.
No, come over here now. God damn. Man, walk away for a second.
Okay.
Come back over here now.
Okay.
You have an ID?
Yes, sir.
I'm through in the car.
I ain't going around. I ain't doing that.
I'm not worried about it.
And we didn't get pulled over.
You are pulled over.
Yes, it
doesn't matter.
It
You're pulled over. You're being detained.
Why are you yelling at
You have
me?
a gun in plain view. Yeah.
She has registration.
Okay,
for a
cool. You
gun.
can't have it in plain view in the car. You can't do that.
Oh, I don't know that.
I'm not the driver. I'm telling you.
So
So everybody in the car is detained. Yeah.
If she has a registration and license for a gun,
What
does that mean?
Relax.
I thought she got registration license to be straight.
You got your ID? Where your ID at? Don't stand up, bro.
We were just coming to have a good time. That was it.
Thank
My
you.
ID.
Thank you. Can I see your ID?
You saw it. You don't need it. I'm a passenger seat driver, bro. I know my rights. And
You see? You got shaking there?
Go back over there.
I was just getting a license.
No, go back over there.
Sir, I'm being cordial.
No, you're not. You're not listening. At one point, you have not listened this entire thing. Go back over there where my partner is and your friend is. You stay over there. Partner, you stay over there. Don't come over here, please. You can stay. Don't go past your porch. Hey, I'm going to tell you right now, 25 feet.
You spoke first.
25 feet.
You spoke first.
Hey, come sit down. Sit down.
Okay, that's no problem.
Everybody sit down.
No, baby.
Everybody sit down. All on the police, sit down. Sit
Fine,
down.
sir. I just
Sit down. I'm not going to
It's
keep
no-
telling you.
it's no
Come sit by
problem.
him. Come sit by him.
I was just gonna
Come
sit
sit by
over there.
him. I'm not going to keep telling, ma'am.
Babe,
You're going to go to jail. Sit
No,
down.
I'm fine.
Okay, thank you. You're acting weird. Weird.
No, I'm good, baby.
Sit down.
Ain't nobody even give y'all legal consent.
You have a gun in plain view.
Ain't nobody searching the cars.
Yes, you
It's
are. Look at you all
mine.
inside the car. Get out the car.
It's mine.
All you gotta do is give it. Look
Cool.
out. Go.
You cannot have a gun. You cannot have a gun just hanging out.
Well, I can't leave this gun here unattended, so I don't need police lessons from you, sir.
You cannot. That's illegal.
keep the gun,
I'm telling
sir.
you.
They told me, as long as it's in my car.
But I know my laws, sir.
No.
Yeah, you know your laws. Yeah, you know your laws.
So you cannot open carry in a car.
They already checked me at
I'm just telling you.
Damn, I just broke my cigarette.
I'm just telling you. You cannot open carry in a car.
I thought
You
was
can
Secretary of State.
you can open carry on your person, but you
Right.
cannot open
Yeah,
carry.
He's right.
You cannot open carry in a car.
But she got license and registration.
Yeah, everything is
You still cannot open carry. I'm not
So
saying
wait,
she can have it
so
concealed.
she can't have it in the car.
No, she can have it concealed on her. Correct, but I'm just saying you cannot just have it. You cannot just have it. Okay.
Okay.
That's why we acting because it's just two of us. All right.
But y'all just did the moves. Y'all,
We didn't-
either way it go, anyway, y'all take it. We can run.
All I did, me and
Because
you,
they just
you
tried
come out.
nothing. We ain't even do nothing.
No, I promise.
Right.
I promise. We just came to chill with my boy. Everything is legit.
No, what's your idea?
For what? I'm not no driver. I don't need no ID. What
Yeah,
I need
everything
my
is
ID for?
legit with me. I
What I
promise.
did. You're free.
Everything is
Did you have a
legit with me.
seatbelt on?
I was out the car
Okay.
before they even pulled up. They never pulled us over.
All right.
Yeah,
They said
well,
that
I
was in
promise.
the
They're
road
asking for your
still.
ID,
Getting
so
out
can
the
you just
car.
go
I'm a passenger seat driver. By law, I don't gotta give up my ID. We're not doing no investigation. We didn't get pulled over. Nothing. They rolled past us. They rolled past us and we was out the car. You talking about we in the road? That was it. And then they seen her
Can you
register
just give them your
file.
ID so we
Yeah,
can get on with this?
everything is in there registered.
Just to make it the process
Everything's in there
easier.
registered. We just
Just make it
came to
easier
chill
if
with
you
my
just provide
friend,
an ID, so.
and that was it. Everything in there is legit. I promise you. I won't bullshit y'all.
Thank you, sir.
I won't bullshit y'all at all. We parked, we came to chill out, and that was it.
Who's in the back seat? Somebody sit in the back seat?
Honey, digital forensics on air side.
There's somebody in there.
And she do not give legal consent to search the car.
Nobody's searching the car.
Yes, he is. He's all in the car.
Because there's somebody sitting in the back seat.
No, he's been in there the whole time, man. You have not been here. We have been here.
I promise.
All right.
He's been in the car the whole time. All you gotta do is grab the firearm and get to his car and go register.
Everyone's gonna be detained, okay?
Hey. Don't grab anything.
I'm just trying to grab my chips, man. Can you not grab my phone?
Huh?
Can you not grab my phone?
Okay, cool.
What are you grabbing my phone for?
Because everybody's about to get detained.
Detained for what? I didn't do anything.
Okay, you're part of the car. I need you to relax, okay?
Come on, bro. I
I'm
can't go
listening.
to jail. Bro, I'm only getting a ride so I can go home.
Don't pull for me, okay? Don't pull for me. Don't pull for me, all right?
Come on, bro. What am I getting detained for?
Just hang tight, all right?
What am I getting detained
Just
for?
hang tight. I'm explaining
I'm
to you.
hanging tight. I'm hanging tight.
Okay, I'm explaining
I'm
to
just
you.
trying to get home to my daughter, bro.
All right, cool.
Like that ass.
All right, cool.
I don't have nothing on me.
Okay. All right. You ready?
I literally just got off of work.
All right.
Like that ass. Just got off of work.
Okay, cool.
That's right here.
Do you have a marijuana license?
Hmm?
Do you have a marijuana license?
Marijuana license?
Yes.
No, I don't.
Okay, cool. All right.
Turn around, man. You can lean back and have a seat.
I got you.
Oh, shit. Not like that.
I mean, y'all.
All right.
I got you,
All right,
bro.
just sit. Just sit. You don't.
I just don't want to make no sudden movements because he was already like grabbing on me. You know what I'm saying? So I don't like. He told me. He didn't tell me that I was being detained until like after I asked like, why are you grabbing my phone and why are you grabbing on me? You know what I'm saying? Like,
So my friend's car house and I bought it.
Yep.
This on too.
Who?
The passenger.
Front? Well, between the two of them was this, and there's crack cocaine in it.
Crack cocaine. You start reading people. In the middle console?
Yeah, she took it out because she was trying to separate herself from the car with the gun and the drugs in it. All right, Miss George, with your rights in mind, you want to talk? You want to talk to me with your rights in mind?
Yes, sir.
Oh, awesome. All right, so what were you guys doing on that side of the road? Because you were on the wrong side of the road.
So we didn't have the right GPS location.
Okay.
So when they pointed us to here, this is the address that they pointed us to.
Okay.
When I seen that it wasn't the address, I immediately turned.
Okay. So, okay, because that's when we were at the light, because we were right there at the light, and we saw you driving on the wrong side of the road. So that's what brought our attention, and we pull up alongside the really dark tint. So that's when we stepped out with you guys.
My right hand. The GPS.
Told you to go to the wrong place. Hey, happens all the time. I get
Officer,
it. I get it.
I'm not bullshitting you.
I get
right
it. Sweetie, I get Miss George. I get
When
it.
I got here.
So, okay, so car is yours?
Yes, sir.
Okay. When I told you to come over here, why didn't you listen to me?
I was just freaked out because I thought I didn't do nothing.
Okay. Yeah, it's just because you were on the wrong side of the road.
Right.
That's it. That's the only reason why we're stepping out. Right?
I understand that.
And then your car smells like burnt cannabis. When you open the door, I saw the rolling papers, but more importantly, I saw that gun.
I promise you.
Okay?
Everything that I had to do, I left everything at the...
Are you a convicted felon?
No, sir.
No, sir? Okay. Is that gun yours?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. What about the container, the super glue container? Is that yours?
Nothing.
Whose super glue container is that?
I don't know.
It's up front, right next to you. It's up front, right next to you. All right.
I had somebody sit next to me on the other side. I'm not trying to rat.
Okay.
Can you listen to me, officer? I'm not trying to rat anybody out. But everything you found that was mine was mine.
Okay. Yeah, the weed
I
in the
don't have
purse.
nothing.
I only found the weed in the scale in the purse, and then the gun in the door, right? Can't
Okay.
negate the gun right there.
Because I didn't want it to be around these guys.
Oh, okay. All
The
right.
only thing we're supposed to do is come up here and come.
Okay.
That's it.
All right. All right, Miss George.
The rest of that,
All right. Is there anything
I
else?
don't want to rat anybody
I
out.
feel you. I feel you.
I don't want to rat anybody out. But it was
Excuse me. Okay. All right. I appreciate you talking to me. All right.
I'm being straightforward.
All right, Miss George. All right, I appreciate that. I really do. Go back with my partner here and just bear with me. Just bear with me a few minutes. All right, sweetie. I appreciate you.
Yes, sir.
So, what's your name, dude?
Austin.
Austin?
Yes, sir.
All right, Austin. You want to have a conversation with me?
About what?
About this stop.
What happened?
Yeah, about this traffic stop
Talk to
and
me.
this.
I'm listening.
All right. So I got to read you this first, all right? So I could have a conversation with you. You have the right to remain silent.
Whoa, you're arresting me.
No, I want
Yeah, you're reading my random rights.
You're not free.
You're arresting me. No. Then if you're gonna read my random rights, then no, I don't want to answer both questions. You don't want to talk about.
All right, so just.
That means you're trying to read my rights. That means that's by law that you're trying to arrest me. No, it doesn't. Yes, it does.
It means I want to ask you.
So why you gotta ask me? Just ask me the question. You don't gotta read that. Ask me the question.
I do, because then I'd be violating your rights. So, do you want to talk to me? I have to read this. If you don't want to talk to me, then I'm going to make my decision tonight.
Either way it go, you still the boss. So what either way it go, what's going on?
I'm not going to force you to talk to me. Just don't make shit go. All right.
Yeah, I ain't gonna make shit go hard.
Just a verbal yes or no.
That's all you got to say.
Bullet me like damn.
All right, you have the right.
You gonna read my rights? Just read them.
I have to, brother. With your rights in mind, you want to talk to me?
Yes. I was about to talk to you.
Awesome. All right. So, who's this lady to you?
There's only one lady over there, bro.
There's only one.
My friend, I'm a little dog.
Okay. All right, your friends.
My sister.
Your friends. Okay, your sister.
Yeah,
okay. All right. Where you guys coming from?
Store.
The store?
Yeah.
Okay. Where you guys came over here for?
Play cards.
To play cards? Okay. You got a Wii card?
No, you know that, sir.
You know, you told me. You told me.
You told him, yeah.
No, sir.
I know we look alike. I'm just messing with you, bro. We don't look alike. All right. There was a what do you call it? I keep forgetting the name.
Chapstick.
No, not chapstick. It's crazy glue, like a crazy glue tube. Okay. Right next to you in the center console, right?
It's not in my car. I don't even know. I just got in it.
Okay, so
I don't know what was in it.
I don't know. You tell me.
You said a crazy glue tube.
Yeah, crazy glue tube.
So was it glue?
No.
What was in it?
2 white rocks.
2 white rocks.
Yeah. No.
What the freak?
No. Okay. You don't. If you say it ain't yours, it ain't yours. I can't make you.
Wait. Time out. Where'd y'all say y'all found that?
Right next to where you were sitting, right in the middle between you and your sister.
This shit weird as fuck.
No, I mean, I don't know. I didn't put it there, so.
Yeah, we try to do is figure out.
But we have no. I don't even know what to say. Like.
Yeah. Oh, I can't force you to say anything. So.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
That's the question. That's why he read you, because you want to ask you the right question.
Yeah.
Wait, so what that mean though?
We gotta. I got.
Me to tell because I'm in the passenger seat.
Nobody said you're going to jail.
Bro,
I gotta talk to.
That's finna go down, bro.
I gotta talk to.
Nobody in that shit. I'm sorry, bro. That's just.
I gotta talk to Buddy.
Terrifying.
I got
something like that, bro.
Yeah, no, I'd be scared too.
That's why we're trying to figure it out. That's why.
Yeah,
that shit
I'd be scared too. I gotta talk to Buddy that was in the back. All right. So, with your rights in mind, you want us to talk to me?
Yes, sir.
All right, cool. Did you notice anything like with them in the front, like anybody with a gun or anything like that?
I mean, no.
You didn't see a gun at all?
No, like, why, she has a gun? I mean,
there was a gun.
I mean, she said that she has a 9mm.
Okay.
That's what she said.
So you know she has a gun. Okay. All right, that's cool.
Yeah, I mean, when I was sitting
You
down,
never seen it. She said it. You never seen it.
Yeah, she said that I have one.
Okay.
So I'm going to jail.
Huh?
This shit crazy, bro. Why am I going to jail?
Same time, brother.
I'm going to jail.
Let's scoot all the way over, all right?
What am I going to jail for, boss?
I'm gonna explain it to you, all right?
Oh, man.
Yeah, you good. Listen, relax. Listen. Hey, relax. I'm trying to explain everything to you, right? Do you say you want to talk? I'm talking to you. All right, so in the state of Florida, right? You found the stuff, right? Where my partner explained to you, right? That was in the middle, right? So the person you're in the car with, there's two people, if it's in a joint in the middle, and nobody takes ownership of it, you know what I'm saying? You see how it go, right? You know what I'm saying? So I'm just trying to explain it to you what it is. Just relax. So what?
Bro, look, bro. Don't you gotta take it, bro. You gotta take it, bro. Just take it, bro. Just take it, bro.
Hey, just sit down.
I'll just take it, bro.
Man,
I'm
okay, sir.
That made no sense, bro.
18 female officers, copy 45 Paramore Hotel.
You gonna tell her why she going?
You can? Okay.
So unfortunately, okay, I'm gonna have to take these off.
Why you paying so much? Can I get my phone, please?
I think it's on the hood. You guys good?
Mike, the phone on the hood.
It's up on 410
Let me count my
65.
money real quick, bro. Hey, we gonna be cool after this, or you just gonna make it roll around in the dirt and all types of shit?
301 East Pine, 301 East Pine.
Yeah.
So Johnson's is coming?
Yeah.
Unit 305 for 22 and 22.
Since neither individual claimed ownership of the cocaine, both were charged with possession of cocaine. She was additionally charged with use of a firearm in the commission of a felony, possession of drug paraphernalia, and resisting an officer without violence. Who do you think the drug belonged to, the driver or the front seat passenger? If you found this video informative, make sure to like, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe for more real police body cam footage and true crime content.